That's good.
Cool.
It's super sour, cooking with again, Rio.
Hi.
Hey guys, what's up? I know that you guys voted on the duck and ube waffles, and we were really excited about it, but our butcher shop doesn't have any duck breast right now, so we had to put it on hold, and we don't have any ice cream, so we had to put that on hold.
Which
so,
we put it on hold, but like that one's easier to like just pick up, so we may do that sooner. But the duck is the one you guys want, and that's gonna take like a little bit.
So for now, we were inspired by watching some cooking shows, so we're gonna make pasta from scratch for the first time for both of us. We're just gonna make some long pasta. We're gonna put some tomatoes in there. We're gonna infuse it with some saffron that I have soaking in some hot water for now. Yeah, I'm really excited about it.
I'm not gonna do all of this, I already know, but we're gonna do
I've never made pasta, and you know, Rio's might be better than mine. You never know. Let's crack the eggs. Let's crack the eggs first. Cool.
Okay.
Just don't be afraid.
I'm so afraid.
Don't be afraid.
To just pull it? I'm
Yeah.
so pull it. You're just so good at making like the sunny side up eggs.
My shoulder really
Oh my god, are you okay?
I can't like stand with my back straight because it feels like it's pulling, but I'm gonna do it anyway and hope that it works out. So, for our pasta recipe, we're gonna be using a mixture of whole eggs and egg yolks. So here we have 2 egg yolks, one for each of our batches. What's that?
No, that might
Cool. And I'm gonna separate the egg yolks into this one. You can wash your hands if you want.
No, I'm just curious. I just wanted to watch you.
Cool.
Curious.
So, I wash my hands. Make sure to wash your hands. I'm just gonna kind of scoop the yolks. Gonna hold it. This is really sexy. You know, egg porn. Gonna try to get as much of the white stuff off, and I'm gonna plop them in there. Cool. I'm gonna grab the other one. Damn, this egg white's really sticking.
Oh, it's like literal mucus. That looks like snot. All of them.
Yeah.
Yes. Kind of swing around. So should I oil now?
Yeah, not too crazy, but just a bit, just a little bit. Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, just a little more. Yeah, nice, perfect. Totally making this up as we go.
Okay. Some flour.
Also, side note, we don't have a pasta maker or like a pasta cutter, so we're gonna be showing you some handy tricks to do this by yourself.
I mean, we don't know that much yet, but yeah.
I read it on the internet.
Just joke.
Yes.
I'm with my wine burger. Your hands are so oily. Oh, I wish I could get closer. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? It's so cute. It's so cute.
So
It's called Tough Knot. That's so cute.
our next step is we're gonna make the classic little the little wells in the center of the flour.
We're gonna do mine.
Yeah.
Okay, so just
Yeah, you can just use your hands. You can always just use your hands. Okay, I'm gonna pour this in with the liquid and the saffron. We're using just like regular all-purpose flour. This is very last minute, so like we didn't buy any fancy like pasta flour or anything, or like you can make pasta with like semolina flour or like buckwheat. I saw some cute looking hemp pasta the other day, did not buy it, but you know what? Go off.
how are you measuring this out again? You're not sure?
There's gonna be flour everywhere.
This is gonna be really messy. I'm kind of like losing my shit about it, but it's too late to go back. We're just gonna do it. There he goes. He's going in. Don't do mine yet.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Oh my god. Also, I fucked up and I spilled some. Sexy.
Here we are with our puddles.
Okay.
Just
We
trip.
each have a fork,
Okay.
and we're gonna slowly whisk it and start to combine some of the flour.
We're so runny. I think we need more flour.
Yeah, we need more flour. We're having an
We
emergency.
need more flour, like
Okay,
we need
will you
more
get the flour while I hold him? I will blockade him, don't worry.
Fuck. I have the flour. I have it.
Oh my god, it's spilling.
It's okay. Everything's okay.
No one's gonna see this, it's fine. Please get a soup.
Stop. Okay, just wait. Just push it to the side and shit. And then I might just put my hand in the flour. I might just ruin the flour.
No.
I might just ruin
Please
the flour.
don't do that.
Okay. You just stop. Okay.
Yeah, we fucked up.
Fuck. Just keep pushing it. We're gonna have to make one batch. We're gonna make one batch. Okay.
Ah!
It's okay.
Ah!
Everything's okay. Oh, shit.
Ah!
Baby, it's okay. It's okay. I'm just gonna drop.
Yeah.
Everything's
Thank
okay.
you.
I shit. Okay. Everything's fine. Everything's going so well right now. So well. Literally so well right now. It's going so good.
Okay, that's enough.
That's good? Okay.
You didn't. It didn't need to be that much.
Okay, listen.
It's okay.
He's
I understand.
leaving.
Oh,
He's
going
running
ahead.
away. Fuck.
Okay.
And pull, and we need the dough. I push and I pull and I pat, pat, pat. Then I need the dough. I push, 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 and I pull and pat. And then I need the dough.
Wait for Rio to put some flour on there for me.
Sprinkle. Crazy. Yeah. I might have to get in your personal space a little.
That's okay. So you need like a little like twisty stuff going on. Probably have a reprisal episode where I try to make pasta again and don't panic.
Okay. I'm nervous about this butter. Okay, so like,
Yeah.
oh.
So now we're gonna roll out the pasta and we're gonna cut it into the shape that we want. It's gonna be fun. Look how cute he looks.
He's a little sticky.
Just a little bit. So we're gonna cut off a piece of it so that we have an easier time rolling it out. Our big hack is that we're gonna use this wine bottle instead of a rolling pin, which is what the internet told us to
We're
do.
gonna try to do 2 pieces at once.
What?
Well, we can't. We only have 1 bottle. Just
Oh.
kidding. Trying to work smarter, not harder.
Rolling, doot, 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 rolling, doot, 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 rolling down the door. Rolling, boop, 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 rolling, boop, boop, rolling out the door. Boop, 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 rolling, and we're rolling out the door.
Okay, so here we have some pasta. I'm not really like super worried about it being super uniform in shape, so I'm just kind of going for some like thicker pieces, you know.
It's a thick ones.
Yeah, because you know we usually make linguine, and sometimes we just want to switch it up.
Is that it should be? Just flop it.
Yeah. So, for our sauce, we're gonna use these tomatoes. We're gonna use some green onions. We're gonna use garlic, and we're gonna use parsley, and whatever else we find.
Whatever else we find. Hey, let's do it, baby. Tell me what you need me to do.
Okay, so would you rather chop tomatoes or diced tomatoes or chopped herbs?
I'm not great at either, but I will do.
Let's do the
What?
tomatoes because they don't need to be like super even or anything.
Okay.
And I'm
So
going to
I'm very.
mince up as well as I can this garlic.
Yeah, I'm not very talented with knives, like at all. Or we're switching?
I think that one will be better for the tomatoes.
Gotta pop them off. Dude, you know what I think about every time I see a tomato?
Yeah.
VeggieTales. You didn't watch that though, because your parents are
I
religious.
did not really watch VeggieTales, no.
Yeah, no, that was totally a thing, like a Sunday school type beat. You watched fucking VeggieTales. They didn't really teach me anything.
When I would go to my friend Jasper's youth group as a kid, because they played sports and I went to play sports with them, they would show us VeggieTales sometimes, but I think I like zoned out every single time because I have no idea what they'd be doing. We finished prepping, so I'm gonna start by heating up some olive oil in a pan, and I'm gonna throw in the garlic and the green onions. I'm gonna get that going real nice. I'm very excited about it.
Cooking, putting the stuff in the pots. They go boom, boom, boom in the pots. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle in the pots. Stirring, stirring, stirring in the pots. Pots, pots and pans, there they go on the stove. Pots, pots and pans, there they go on the stove.
Hi, so we finished.
We did it.
It's really cute. I wish you guys could see it. Maybe we'll take a picture and put it in.
Oh, wait,
Into my pocket. Right? Well, yeah, we can take a picture with the bowls. Yeah.
It looks really cute, guys.
We're gonna take a pic and then put it right there. So I haven't had it at all.
It's really good. I was a little grumpy because we didn't roll out the pasta thin enough, so it's a little puffy.
So like
but it's really good, actually.
Alright, so this is my first bite. It's good. It's really good. It hits. The lemon pepper is really nice on it.
Guess what?
What?
There's no lemon pepper.
What? What do you mean?
There's no lemon pepper.
You didn't use any? What is that then? The saffron?
The saffron, a little bit of black pepper, and the tomato. The tomato is cooked down a lot, so they got really sweet with like a little bit of acidity left to it, and the acidity is just like perfect.
It was really good.
Lemon pepper is Rio's like second favorite seasoning.
What's my first?
Well, tahini.
Yeah.
So I'm honored.
Yep, thanks for watching us make pasta super last minute. And yeah, anything, you got anything to say? Alright, I guess that's it. I'm gonna fill it up.